Say bye-bye to Louie.
Bye-bye to Louie. Can I come, Mommy?
Bye-bye, Louie.
Can I come?
Give Louie a cuddle.
Now, can I come?
No, we're going. Louie will stay here with Tita. Yeah? Give Louie a cuddle. See you tomorrow, mate.
Why was you going?
Yeah, Louie can't come with us. Because he can't stay in the hotel. Someone has to look after him. Say bye-bye, Louie. Say bye-bye, Louie.
Why Louie's haircut?
Yes, can't come.
And Louie's face is like blue.
Come on, boy.
Take care, my love.
Come, Daddy.
Oh, so little. Take care, Baba. See you tomorrow. Oh, woman.
I miss his friend.
Yeah.
I miss his friend.
Yeah, he will see his friend. Okay? He'll be fine. He'll have a good time. Oh, my little Louie. So guys, it is Saturday and it's 1 o'clock ng hapon. So, dinrap pa ni Daddy Mike si Louie sa dog sitter. So, aalis kami, pupunta kami ng Hope Island. We will have like a little mini getaway with the family for this weekend, today and tomorrow. Kasi bukas, birthday ng boyfriend ng pinsan ko. At i-celebrate nila sa Colombata, which is a bit far from us, like just less than 2 hours. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, instead of driving there tomorrow, like 2 hours drive, sabi ko we will find a place to stay tonight para mag-stay kami doon, kasi para hindi na malayo yung drive bukas, kasi I don't really like driving 2 hours there and then like the same day 2 hours back. So we booked a hotel room in Hope Island, and it means maiiwan si Louie namin, and Daddy Mike organized it. Buti na lang merong dog sitter na malapit lang dito sa bahay, guys, like literally 2 minutes away. Yeah, we will go to the beach. Okay? And siya yung mag-aalaga kay Louie tonight and tomorrow hanggang sa makauwi kami. So you will miss Louie. Are you going to miss Louie? Yeah. So here's our girls here. Ayun, umuulan pa siya, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Hi.
Ate Paris haven't been well for the last few days actually. So hindi siya pumasok nung Wednesday, Thursday, so wala kaming vlog. And yesterday pumasok siya kasi excursion nila. Gusto niya talagang sumama. So meron siyang ubo. Yeah. So that's why like it's been like a stressful few days. Kaya yeah, napag-isipan namin na it's a good thing to go away for just one night, really. Like a different place, a new view, Are you excited, girls?
Yes. Yes.
What's that? What's your turtle's name?
Tina.
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 A few moments later.
After over an hour drive, guys, welcome to
Hope Island.
Welcome to
Para?
Hope Island.
Kari?
The island
Kari?
full of hope. Perry Daddy. Yeah. So, stop kami dito sa shops, guys. We will have something to eat at nag-jacket si Maming Lo kasi medyo maginaw siya. Umuulan kasi. First time namin dito. We'll see kung anong meron sila. Hope Island. So that's close. I think we have to go down the back, Daddy. Because that's where the thing now. Look! Ang dami nilang yate. Wow. It's pretty cool. Huh? There? Yeah. We'll go that way. There's more restaurants there. So, and have a look at Lini with her handbag. Hi, Pilingling. Show me your handbag, Pilingling. Oh my goodness. Look at that, honey. What's that? What's that? Boat. Boat, yeah. So right now, nandito kami sa Hope Island Resort, the boardwalk. So meron silang mga restaurant dyan. La Mama Italiano, La Casa Spanish, Tapas, House of Siam. Sa Siam, Bob? Thailand. Ooh, yeah, look at this. You might have Thailand. Huh? Ducks, oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh, may have a look na ko. There's papaya lang. Popo. Yeah. Mubo ra kayo, pwede kawatan. Quack, quack. Look at that, they're so cute. Yeah, like the yacht. Tingnan nyo, meron silang pa-balcony sa likuran. Ayan, oh. Parang siyang bahay na nakalutang.
Do you feel nice, your mommy?
Hmm?
You like it here?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I think we should go now.
Yeah, yeah, let's go in.
Is this rich white people place?
Daddy, did you hear what she said?
What did you say?
Smell, it's like rice.
Rice?
Yeah.
It smells like rice. Nung sa kanon, nung sa kanon. Do you love rice? Hmm?
It's yummy rice.
What are you getting, baby?
Rice.
Rice? Is that all you're getting?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How about Ate? What's our Ate getting?
I want to eat. Daddy, I want that one.
Alam niyo ba,
You want
nawala
some
talaga yung boses ni Ate Paris.
I like
You want some tam?
This face. Nawala talaga yung boses niya, guys. Kasi nga hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya for the last few days.
upstairs.
Upstairs, lumipat kami dito sa labas, guys. Sabi ka Ate Paris, she can wear mama's jacket kung hindi ginawin siya. Maganda kasi yung view dito.
Ice. Ice.
It's my coconut water, guys. This is Celine Berry, ano kaya siya? May pa-flower ang kanilang coconut water.
Got ice.
You wanna try, Ate? Try the flower. Try what the flower tastes like.
Coconut.
What is it like?
Coconut.
What is it?
My try for real life.
Kuko nga nga?
My try that for real life. Oh,
Try it.
flower.
It's not flower, it's coconut.
I'm coconut.
Coconut?
Do you mean the drink?
Yeah.
The drink.
Yeah. What is it, Ling?
Where's the coconut?
Coconut. Ang tigulang nga bata, coconut. Oh my. Look at this deep fried. Is this barramundi, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it smells. Oh my god, it looks and smells so good. Wala, straight away sa kanyang rice.
Show.
Yeah, I know. Have a look at the presentation. Fish cake. And we have the green papaya salad, the samtam. I love it. It's my favorite. Oh, they put a lot of thing Daddy. Peanuts. Oh my god, let's eat. So, isa lang yung rice and order namin, guys. And we realized straight away pagkadala nila dito, so we need another one. Because Celine will eat the whole bowl of rice. Won't you? Nak, use the one up. Use the spoon. Kinamot man si plongkoy. Oh my god, this is so good.
Yeah. Maybe we put fish. Let me do a photo for you.
Nak, no more rice for you.
Hey, you eat the mine.
Daddy, will you put some rice here for Celine? Oh my God, sobrang sarap ng pagkain, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ulo ng isda ay ayan, tapos na. It's so crispy. Yung sauce nila ito, ayan, para siyang nagiging escabeche ba? Kaya napakasarap with rice. Sobrang daming nilagay na nuts. Favorite. See? Papaya. Ano ba ito? Papaya. Kamatis. Cucumber. May peas. Ganito. Ayan. Diba? Looks so healthy. Tignan nyo.
I'm coughing me, Mama. I'm coughing me. I'm coughing me.
Coughing you?
I'm coughing me.
Yep.
I'm coughing me.
Coffee? I'm not copying you.
Now you coughing me.
What do you think, Dad?
Coughing.
What do you think?
Bowl, apple. A little bowl. My little bowl. My little bowl.
The boat? The little boat.
Amazing. Like that, we'll never get back. Scream. Is your crocodile for the cat to scream? Ah! Look, it's a diamond.
Kanina pa yan siya kanta ng kanta eh. Happy yan? Anak, happy yan?
Happy yarn.
Happy yarn?
Happy yarn. Happy yarn.
Wala. Okay. So,
Happy
OC pala itong mga anak ko guys. Wala palang R. So kahit nasabihin kong happy yarn.
Happy yarn.
Can you say happy yarn?
Happy yarn.
Oh, wala talagang R. Nak, can you say happy yarn?
Happy yarn.
Happy yarn?
Happy yarn.
Ito, happy yarn?
Happy yarn.
Ah.
Happy worm. Happy poo-poo.
Cute-cute pa naman niya sa kanyang
Happy
trench coat.
poo-poo. Happy poo-poo. Mommy.
Sa elevator na kami.
Push it again, please, Lane.
Baby girl. You're used to it. You excited, Lily?
Yeah.
You excited, Ate? This one? Ah, yeah. Alright, Lily. You ready? Steady. Go, go. My different bed tonight. Turn the light on, Baba. Hey, I think that's a light. Oh. Yay!
Ati.
Alright. Put everything down. Oh my goodness. Yeah, take your shoes off, Baba, if you want to. See, itour namin kayo, guys. So, ayan. That's the kitchen. My fridge. My kettle, my tea, coffee, sugar. Ayako. This is the first room.
Whose room is this? Nini and Ati's bed?
Yeah.
What's that vault? Pillow.
I know what the fridge looks like.
Huh?
I know what the fridge looks like.
Now, to show this. What's inside?
Milk. Is there maybe?
Let's see. Open.
I'll do it.
Huh?
Where's the rice? Where's the rice?
Okay. Yay!
Maybe not.
Yes. Yes.
What? Maybe.
On top.
Oh. Maybe the top.
Hey, it's here. Did you see it? Kabutta. Eh?
Oh. Maybe up there.
Have a look what's in here. Oh, wow. Oh, the shower is big, huh? Nice. And the main room. Come here lang. Come. Oh, they have like a walk-in closet too. Oh, beautiful. Where? That's on. Yeah, pretty cool. Ang ganda pag ganito. 400 na. Nagkaroon tayo ng bahay na. And here's Mama's bed. And yan yung balcony. Sleeping.
No, that's Mama.
Mama's bed.
It's not your bed. It's not your bed, Mommy.
It is.
No.
Yes, it is. And the balcony. Wala, nag-inom na gatas.
Yeah.
You like it?
Good value for the price.
Help me. Help me.
Oh, help Selene, Daddy.
This is not Lingy's bed, this is Mummy and Daddy's bed tonight.
What's yummy milk?
You guys are sleeping in the other bed, aren't they, Mummy?
Mama. Want some milk? That's my bed.
Wait, that's for the coffee. Uy, takar ka. That's for the coffee. When you make coffee, you put milk. You think it's for drinking, huh?
I just like milk.
Ah, nice.
It is quite tasty.
For milk.
It's not on my bed.
How many of you? 6. Yay! It's good that isang gabi lang, guys.
We come.
Away from the reality. Come down lang. Careful, baby.
Help me. Help me, Chris.
Di man good mabuya ng Oreo. Good.
Like,
Oh. What's this one? One day talaga, pag nagkabahay kami, gusto ko talagang magkaroon ng ganito ba, like, walk-in closet. Kahit hindi kasya sa walk-in closet ang mga gamit ko.
it's Daddy.
Napakarami.
Everybody's swimming.
Huh? Daddy? Swimming?
Daddy said this is. Dada? We go swimming.
It's now 8 o'clock, guys, and kaka-uwi lang namin dito sa bahay. Lumabas kami kanina, pumunta kami ng Hungry Jacks. Bumili kami ng makakain. Hindi na kami nagluto. Hindi na rin kami pumunta ng restaurant kasi sobrang mamamahala na kami. Nag-lunch kami kanina sa restaurant, di ba? Sobrang sarap na. So, nag-Hungry Jacks kami, easy lang. Tapos, cheaper option. So, you've got the mango and orange frozen drink. Chips and Slurpee pala sabi ko guys. Chips and itong chicken ata or abang ko kung anong isa. Tapos burger. Oh my god, meron kaming very funny stories sa inyo guys. I-share namin sa inyo. So kanina pagkapasok namin dito nalagay na namin yung mga bagay-bagay namin dito sa loob. Si Ate Paris gusto niya talagang pumunta sa pool. Kasi apparently, may swimming pool daw dito. So, ito kasi yung place na to guys, kung saan kami stay ngayon. Hindi talaga siya hotel. How do you call it again, Daddy? Service
departments.
Service departments. So, siya, parang gated community siya guys na makakapasok ka lang kung may may QR code or may key ka sa gate nila. So, yung sinasabi nilang swimming pool, hindi pala dito talaga sa building na to guys. Kailangan mo pang lakarin. So kanina, malayo na yung narating namin. Wala kami nakitang pool. So may naglakad-lakad na couple kanina. Tinanong namin kung alam ba nila kung nasaan yung pool. Kasi si Ate Paris, gusto niya talagang pumunta ng swimming pool. So yung nagbigay naman ng instruction guys, was not very clear. Very confusing pa. Sabi niya, pag daw sa tulay, turn right, and then left, and then around, and then left and right. So we were like, okay. So okay na lang kami. And then we decided, sabi ni Daddy Mike, mag-drive na lang tayo kasi mukhang malayo man siya. So nag-drive kami. And parang slowly lang yung pag-drive namin para makita namin kung asan talaga yung may swimming pool. So, alam namin, sabi ng lalaki na pinagtanungan namin, may swimming pool, malapit daw siya sa may barbecue. So, medyo malayo na yung narating namin, guys. May nakita kaming mga maraming lights ba? Tapos, next to it, may barbecue. So, sabi ko, Daddy Mike, maybe yung may mga lights na yan yung swimming pool. So, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, bumaba ka, basahin mo yung plaka. Si Daddy Mike bumalik, sabi niya, yes, ano daw, approved daw, yun talaga daw yung swimming pool. So, pinuntahan namin, guys, and oh my God, sobrang dilim niya sa labas kasi parang park siya, tapos swimming pool, naka-gate din siya. So, since naka-gate siya, sabi ko, ito na nga siguro, pero maliit lang siya ng swimming pool. Ako pa yung nakakita ng gate, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, that's the gate, let's get in. So, pumasok kami lahat, very happy sa Ate Paris, sobrang talon na niya kasi gusto na talagang hindi kami maliligo, pero yung paa namin, gusto lang namin sa tubig. And, oh my God, you won't believe this one. So, pool talaga siya. Everyone's very excited na may siya, parang wall siya na glass. So, I think yung nakikita namin is reflection ng isa pang swimming pool. So, akala ni Daddy Mike, it's another swimming pool sa kabila. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll go around daw. Kaya doon daw kami sa parang indoors. Pero reflection lang pala yun ng door ng swimming pool sa labas. Nung papunta namin doon, guys, sobrang daming aso na tumahol. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, parang nakarealize si Daddy Mike na, are we inside someone else's property? Tsaka kami nakarealize, guys, hindi yun ang pool na hinahanap namin. Pumasok kami sa swimming pool ng may swimming pool. Oh my God, hindi ako paniwala. Parang naging akyat bahay pa kami, guys. Tapos pumasok kami sa property. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, nakakatakot yun ba? Kasi baka mapagkamalan kaming singer. Baka mapagkamalan kami magnanakaw kasi kami apat. Pumasok talaga kami, guys. Pero hindi pala yun yung bahay pala yung pinasukan namin, guys. Sa likuran kami dumaan para makapasok kami sa swimming pool. Oh my God. Sabi ko sa Daddy Mike, what an experience. Sabi ko, paano pag may shotgun yung may-ari doon tapos nalaman na may tao sa likuran? Ay, naku, pinagbabaril kami. Nakakatakot talaga, guys. So, next time, ay talagang, sabi ko naman talaga sa kanila, huwag na tayong lumabas kasi madilim na. Especially kasi autumn na, hindi pa nag 6 o'clock, madilim na siya. So, ayun yung napala namin. Takot tuloy kami. Parang funny na, scary ba na experience. Hindi na kami, sabi ko bukas na lang. Pumunta na lang kami sa Hungry Jacks para bumili nito at pumunta kami ng Coles. Para bumili ng Uno cards kasi maglalaro kami.
Show me what's in your hand. Now. You show Daddy. Show Daddy your hand. Lane, show Daddy your hand now, please. What have you got? Turn around. Show me your hand. Show me. No, not that hand, the other hand. Show me this hand. Celine, show it to me, please. Show me your hand. Celine, show Daddy your hand, please.
What have you got, honey?
Show me now.
Show Mama? It's okay, you can show it to Mama.
Show me your hand.
Can you show Daddy? Show to Daddy?
What's in your hand? Come here, stop. Show Daddy what's in your hand. Show Daddy. What's that?
It's cookie.
Did you steal a cookie?
Yeah.
Oh, I took that cookie from me. Don't open it. This is bedtime.
So that's my toy. I said she could have it because I was sleeping bad for another one. So I love her.
Say good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow it's Tito Marco's birthday. So we will leave here around 10 to go to Colombia. Did you have fun today, girls?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was playing Uno.
Bungisingis mo ka. Playing Uno? How about you, Ling? What was your favorite part, Ling?
LAYO.
No. What's your favorite part today? Like the lunch? Do you miss Louis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one that I didn't really like is dropping low.
Which one?
The one that I don't really like is dropping low.
The what?
The
Oh,
one
dropping
that,
Louis?
yeah, that's the one I didn't like.
Yeah. What I don't like was when we went inside someone else's backyard.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
It was so scary
Yeah,
and
but it's
embarrassing.
scary, mommy.
When we went to someone's backyard to their swimming pool. Oh, it's crazy.
What's this? Where's scare, mom?
Scared. So good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Thank you for watching today's video. God bless you. Please give this video a thumbs up.
Bye.
Thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Careful.